Hello, learners. Welcome back to your favorite English learning corner. Today, we are going to make grammar easy and fun by understanding something we use every single day, even without noticing. Yes, we are talking about comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Let's begin. What are these? Well, adjectives describe things. But what if you want to compare two things? Or more than two? That's where degrees of comparison come in. We have three forms: positive, basic form of the adjective; comparative, used to compare two things; superlative, used to compare three or more. Examples: tall, positive, taller; comparative, tallest; superlative, so you'd say, she is tall. He is taller than her. Among them all, John is the tallest. Simple, right? But how do we form them? Most short adjectives add er and est: big, bigger, biggest; cold, colder, coldest; adjectives ending in y: happy, happier, happiest; lazy, lazier, laziest. Longer adjectives, 2 plus syllables, use more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Example: this painting is more beautiful. That one is the most beautiful. Common mistakes: never say more better or most best. Just say better and best. Better does not equal more good. Best does not equal most good. Say, this one is better. Not, this one is more better. Quick tip: always compare similar things. Don't say, my car is faster than the weather. Instead, say, my car is faster than his car. Now it's your turn. Let's do some quick practice together. Fill in the blanks with the correct form: comparative or superlative. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments.